And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
First up, the family of one of the burn victims from Wednesday's explosion at Burger King in New Kingston is criticizing the response of the local franchisee Restaurant Associates Limited. The woman family members say is badly burnt and needs to be treated overseas.
They say they have secured a facility overseas with the help of a local foundation that assists burn victims and now only need the airfare to get her the urgent care she needs.
We have the air ambulance on standby, just simply waiting for payment.
She's the sister of one of the burn victims from Wednesday's explosion at Burger King, New Kingston. Her sister, she says, is not doing well.
She is in extreme pain. She has various levels of burns from partial to critical or to severe. And at this time, her morale is deteriorating the longer she stays in this hospital.
Her sister, she insists, needs to be airlifted immediately. They're disappointed with the response so far of Restaurant Associates Limited, franchisees of Burger King Jamaica. Luna Jackson is the mother of the burn victim.
If it was the boss or the next manager, the higher manager should be out of the country already. So I'm not pleased with what Burger King is doing nor is about to do, because they are saying that they're not releasing her until the doctors say.
We know that the doctors in Jamaica are exceptional. We, however, need also not just the best doctors, we also need the best facilities, the best technology, the best resources, the best protocols, the best rooms, so that she can be regulated, so that she does not get an infection. And at this time, based on what we have seen, we are not confident in any other facility in Jamaica at this time, and we don't have the time to wait to research or to be convinced.
The San Myrna Foundation, which helps burn victims, is working with the family and says it has a facility overseas to help. They're appealing for help to move the victim out of the island.
The beds are charged, the doctors are waiting to start surgery. So the only thing that is needed is just the air ambulance. And of course, she has a fighting chance, she has a fighting opportunity. So as my director, Robert White, was saying, we're asking corporate with Jamaica to come on board to help to save this life.